Please like and subscribe. Visit link in the description to follow xxbryanscopes on Twitch. This video will show a step-by-step process to support xxbryanscopes using a free Amazon Prime subscription. An Amazon Prime membership offers several benefits, one of which is a free Twitch Prime membership. Here's how to link your accounts and get all the benefits of Twitch Prime for free. First, create a free account on Twitch by visiting twitch.tv and click on Sign Up. After your Twitch account is created, now you will go to Amazon to link your Prime account to Twitch. To do that, you will type in twitch.amazon.com. Click Sign In the top right corner, and then type your Amazon Prime account login information. After you log into your Amazon account, click Link Twitch account. You'll then be prompted to sign into your Twitch account. Confirm the accounts are linked, and then navigate to twitch.tv/20bryanscopes to get started with your Prime subscription. When you choose to subscribe to a Twitch streamer via your Prime membership, you're giving $4.99 to that person. To subscribe to a streamer, navigate to their profile, and then click subscribe at the top of the page. If this is the first time you've subscribed to a streamer from your Twitch Prime account, you'll be asked if you want to use your monthly free subscription for this streamer. Click Yes to subscribe to that streamer for 1 month at no additional charge. You have to manually subscribe to a streamer every 30 days to use your Twitch Prime subscription again.
Hello, it's xxbryanscopes. I just want to say thank you for watching the video, and also thank you for your support and subscribing for free using your Amazon Prime membership. Have a great day.